So I'm here with my buddy Austin, and he is going to give me a wonderful tour of this amazing car collection here at this beautiful barn.
Absolutely.
And we're looking at, now it's not Detroit, but a lot of these cars that you're going to show me today were made in Detroit,
Absolutely.
my hometown. So I'm super excited about this.
Little piece of home.
Little piece of home here, yeah. This is a Mustang. I know
Yes.
that much. It's a '69 Mustang.
Absolutely.
What else is going on with this car? This gorgeous car.
So it's our 1969 Mustang. It's a fastback Mach 1 tribute. It's Coyote swap, so it's got a Coyote motor inside of it.
Yeah.
It's an automatic. It's got a race shifter inside.
Look at it. It's got all the little details on it. It's got the horses on the
Yep,
side.
absolutely.
What I love this is that wood paneling together, like that.
That classic,
classic kind of faux wood. Yeah.
So Keegan, right here.
All right.
Here's their entire collection.
Yes. This is a good piece of that.
We got a 68 Camaro right here,
Yeah.
SSRS kit installed on there.
Uh-huh.
Right up there, we got a 1969 Charger.
Love the Charger.
No,
70 Charger.
70 Charger, my mistake.
Good catch. Good catch.
Sorry about that. We got a few 69 Camaros right there and right there. A beautiful 71 Trans Am up top.
I love the arch. Great. I mean,
Oh my
Trans Am.
God.
You can't lose the Trans Am.
Absolutely, I mean, it's one of my favorite cars.
Corvette down here.
Yep, modern Corvette. I think it's a 2021.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Oh, that's real modern.
Yeah, super. Yep,
Okay.
yep, absolutely. This is a 67 Camaro.
Yep.
Once again, RSSS. This is one of my favorite cars here. It's a 1968 Camaro Pro Touring Resto mod. I mean, it's done up, the entire thing.
We got another Camaro up here.
Yes, actually, this is a sneak peek, technically, because this isn't even on our site yet,
Oh.
but it is a 69 Camaro. It's gonna be up there shortly.
That is great. And I just love the whole garage is beautiful. I just love all the details and the stuff.
You got the Chevrolet sign, you got the Firestone sign up top.
That's so great.
Yeah, it's awesome in here.
Thank you so much, man.
Listen,
I really
it's a
appreciate
pleasure.
it.
I appreciate you coming by.
Well, hey, it was my pleasure. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.